Hi, friends. I'm Tom. Let's wiggle, sing, and learn. Come on, let's go.
Good habits and bad habits. 1. Hygiene habits.
I don't brush my teeth.
That's a bad habit.
I brush my teeth every day.
That's a good habit.
I don't wash my hands before I eat.
That's a bad habit.
I wash my hands before meals.
That's a good habit.
I don't take a bath every day.
That's a bad habit.
I stay clean and fresh.
That's a good habit. 2. Food habits.
I eat too many chocolates.
That's a bad habit.
I eat fruits and vegetables.
That's a good habit.
I waste my food on the plate.
That's a bad habit.
I finish my meals.
That's a good habit.
I drink lots of soda and juice.
That's a bad habit.
I drink clean water.
That's a good habit. 3. Behavior and manners.
I fight and shout with friends.
That's a bad habit.
I share and play kindly.
That's a good habit.
I don't say thank you or please.
That's a bad habit.
I use polite words.
That's a good habit.
I throw litter on the ground.
That's a bad habit.
I use the dustbin.
That's a good habit. 4. Study and discipline habits.
I don't do my homework.
That's a bad habit.
I study before I play.
That's a good habit.
I throw my toys on the floor.
That's a bad habit.
I keep my toys in place.
That's a good habit.
I wake up late and miss the bus.
That's a bad habit.
I wake up early on time.
That's a good habit. 5. Screen time and lifestyle.
I watch TV all night long.
That's a bad habit.
I sleep early and rest well.
That's a good habit.
I use the phone too much.
That's a bad habit.
I play outdoors with friends.
That's a good habit.
I talk back rudely to parents.
That's a bad habit.
I listen and respect them.
That's a good habit.
These are wild animals, come and see. Learning their names is fun with me. This is a lion, king of the jungle. This is an elephant, big and humble. This is a zebra, black and white. This is a giraffe, tall and high. These are wild animals, come and see. Learning their names is fun with me. This is a monkey, swinging around. This is a kangaroo, hopping on the ground. This is a tiger, strong and proud. This is a bear, big and brown. This is a hippo, splashing around. Learning their names is fun with me. This is a cheetah, running fast. This is a rhino, strong and vast. This is a crocodile in the river deep. This is an owl awake when we sleep. These are wild animals, come and see. Learning their names is fun with me. Now we know animals wild and free. Clap your hands and sing with me.
I woke up for school. Now I will sleep again.
No, that's a bad habit.
I should wake up on time and get ready for the day.
Excellent. Waking up on time is a good habit.
I don't need to brush my teeth today.
No, that's a bad habit.
I should brush my teeth every morning.
Wonderful. Brushing your teeth is a great habit.
I will go to school without washing my face.
No, that's a bad habit.
I should wash my face every morning.
Great job. Staying clean is a good habit.
I will leave my bed messy.
No, that's a bad habit.
I should make my bed neat and tidy.
Fantastic. Keeping your room tidy is a good habit.
For breakfast, I will only eat candy.
No, that's a bad habit.
I should eat a healthy breakfast.
Excellent. Healthy food gives us energy.
I don't need to check my school bag.
No, that's a bad habit.
I should pack everything before school.
Wonderful. Being prepared is a great habit.
I will wear dirty clothes to school.
No, that's a bad habit.
I should wear clean clothes to school.
Great job. Clean clothes help us look smart and feel confident.
I am leaving for school and I will keep the lights and fan on.
No, that's a bad habit.
I should switch off lights and fans when I don't need them.
Excellent. Saving electricity is a very good habit.
I will walk very slowly and reach school late.
No, that's a bad habit.
I should leave on time and reach school before class starts.
Wonderful. Being punctual is a great habit.
Today I learned many good morning school habits.
That's amazing, Tom.
I will wake up on time and make my bed, brush my teeth, wash my face, eat healthy food, pack my school bag, wear clean clothes, save electricity, and reach school on time.
Excellent. Those are wonderful habits for every child.
Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Blue Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Green Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Brown Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Yellow Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Pink Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa White Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa White Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Hey kids, come along. Let's sing the Veggie rainbow song. Green, green,
Purple, purple, what a treat! Purple eggplant is fun to eat. Stomp your feet and spin around. Purple veggies can be found. Bowing, bowing, peace day! Veggie rainbow, 1, 2, 3. Colorful veggies for you and me. Jump up high and clap with me. Sing a veggie song with glee. Red and orange, yellow too. Green and purple just for you. Veggies help us run and play. Let's eat colorful foods each day. Veggie rainbow, 1, 2, 3. Colorful veggies for you and me. Jump up high and clap with me. Sing a veggie song with glee.
Good habits time.
Let's learn together.
I broke the toy, but I will tell a lie.
Oh no, lying is a bad habit.
I will tell the truth now.
Wonderful! Telling the truth is a good habit.
These toys are only mine. I will not share.
Oh no, not sharing is a bad habit.
I will share my toys with friends.
Yay! Sharing is a good habit.
I am angry. I will scream loudly.
Oh no, screaming is a bad habit.
I will speak calmly now.
Great job! Calm behavior is a good habit.
I will throw garbage on the ground.
Oh no, littering is a bad habit.
I will use the dustbin.
Excellent! Cleanliness is a good habit.
I will wake up late for school.
Oh no, being late is a bad habit.
I will get ready on time.
Awesome! Being on time is a good habit.
I will watch TV while eating.
Oh no, that is a bad habit.
I will eat properly at the table.
Very good! Eating properly is a good habit.
I will interrupt everyone.
Oh no, interrupting is a bad habit.
I will wait for my turn.
Wonderful! Waiting politely is a good habit.
I will not do my homework.
Oh no, skipping homework is a bad habit.
I will finish my homework now.
Excellent! Studying is a good habit.
I will shout very loudly.
Oh no, shouting is a bad habit.
I will speak politely.
Great! Speaking politely is a good habit.
I will leave the tap running.
Oh no, wasting water is a bad habit.
I will turn off the tap.
Fantastic! Saving water is a good habit.
I will throw my clothes everywhere.
Oh no, being messy is a bad habit.
I will keep my clothes neatly.
Awesome! Neatness is a good habit.
I got food, but I will not say thank you.
Oh no, that is a bad habit.
Thank you for the yummy food.
Wonderful! Saying thank you is a good habit.
I will sneeze openly.
Oh no, that is a bad habit.
I will cover my mouth.
Excellent! Clean manners are good habits.
I will leave the door open and run away.
Oh no, leaving the door open is a bad habit.
I will close the door carefully now.
Great job! Closing the door properly is a good habit.
I will not listen to my teacher.
Oh no, not listening is a bad habit.
I will listen carefully now.
Wonderful! Listening carefully is a good habit.
I will follow good habits every day.
Great job, friends. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Wigglewise for more fun videos.